The obvious question anyone would ask, how do you do it? How do you get the feeling, get the sensations, and get the peace and calm that you had in your childhood, assuming it was good one? How do you get that as an adult? Well, the answer, for a lack of better word, is meditation. And I don't want to use the word meditation because you've heard it so many times. So many times in so many places and so many people talking about meditation. It's not that. It's more of drawing within. Now, the instructions aren't there how you draw within, but look at the idea of going deep. Like when you go deep in the swim, what do? You cut the water up and you dive down. And in the mind, how do you go deep? Well, in the mind, for instance, let's say you're an analyst. I am an analyst, so that's the only example I know. But let's say you're a plumber, and you have to do a repair. Now you could do the first thing that comes to your mind, go back to what you did last time, and do the plumbing. Or you could take a look at the whole house, you could look at the entire property, you could look at the corner this particular problem is, and see if you have a better solution. That's going deep, in my opinion. Or going back even further, is the water supply properly organized in the house or something of that nature, or wherever you're working. So that's what I mean by going deep. So going deep internally means not the same as analysis. It's like you have a sensation when you close your eyes. You have a sensation of a little bit of calm. One of the senses have been blocked, so a little less noise, except for the wind. And then, but you still have things dancing in your eyes, ideas, movies, thoughts coming in and going out. So going deep means going the other way, because the thoughts seem to be coming out on the surface. You don't look at the surface, at the forward. You look back. And when you look back, you see that those thoughts have a distance. And you keep going back and back and back and back and back until you get to a point where you can't go any further. And every time you go a little deeper, you will find a little bit of peace. And when you get there, visualize, think, put yourself, easy to say, hard to do, put yourself in the same sensation, feeling mode that you were as a child. See if you can do it. I think you can. What happens when you do that? Your heart fills with compassion. You know what the Buddhists or Tibetan Buddhists call compassion? They translate compassion into quivering of the heart.